Hey team, and welcome to this twisted grip handstand tutorial. So we're going to start here by placing one hand down to the floor, around a shoulder width apart, fingers spread nice and wide, arm nice and straight, pushing down. The inside arm is going to sweep up behind you, palm away into a twisted grip hand position. You want the pole to be running down the back of the arm to the side of the shoulder. Don't bring this in towards your neck here. Keep that distance. Lifting onto the balls of the foot, you can start by kicking into this one. Inside leg is going to kick, and we're going to try and find a pole with the inside of our foot holding on. The other leg is going to join it to the pole, and when you get there, you're going to really pull and push through the arms and bring the hip towards the pole. The further the hip is away from the pole, the harder this is going to be to balance. Keep looking down at your hands the whole time. Bring one leg forward and one leg back into a stag leg position. And you can kick back the same way that you entered. Some top tips for this handstand is definitely to keep pushing with a nice straight arm on the floor, pulling with that inside arm and always looking down at your hands. If you tuck your chin in too much, the handstand will more than likely fall over the top, which can be beneficial for some other exits, but when you're trying to hold and balance the handstand, keep looking down towards your hand. So I'm now going to show you two exits from this handstand. They can be used as standalone movements, but they're also really good to learn for when you're learning the handstand in case you do come over the top, because you can then, one, style it out so it still looks cool, and two, be nice and safe in your training. So option number one is going to be a walkover. Placing the hand down to the floor and setting that twisted grip handstand position that we spoke about earlier. Kicking with the inside leg and into your stag leg variation. You're going to tuck your chin in and allow the body to come over the top. You're going to allow the hand that's on the floor to slide out underneath you, keeping it in line with your ear. You're going to soften the leg you land on so you can bring it down to your bottom. I'm now going to show you that a little bit quicker so you can see how it can look as a standalone trick rather than a fail or a fall out. So setting your twisted grip hand position, you can come straight through into the stag leg handstand position and up and over, making sure you tuck your chin to initiate the movement. Kick with the inside leg and tuck. So option number two is going to be into an outside leg hang into a climb over. So we're going to set our twisted grip handstand position again, onto the balls of the feet and kicking into our stag. This time, we're going to be hooking the outside leg to the pole, tucking the chin, and reach over with the hand that's on the floor.